Guys, it's basically Christmas. Look what I just got. Oh my God, I am so excited. Oh my God, what? Stop. I could cry. I don't think you understand how epic this YouTube video is about to be. I am about to try homemade, from scratch, vegan lasagna. Pasta sheets made from scratch, sauce made from scratch, cheese made from scratch. All right, my name is Gianna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. I do recipe videos, a little bit of yin yoga, product reviews. It's kind of a little bit of everything. I'm very strange. So if you like that, subscribe. Today, we are doing something really special. My friend Mario, he lives in the city in New York. I live in New Jersey. And he makes his own pasta, which is absolutely incredible. And I say that because it is a lot of work to make pasta. If you enjoy it though, it's an art and it can be really relaxing and meditative, and I grew up making pasta, so I respect anybody that does what he does. And this is entirely vegan pasta lasagna sheets made from scratch. He also makes his own mozzarella cheese. I don't say mozzarella, so if you have a problem with that, then get out of here. But he makes his own mozzarella as well. And then we've got some pomodoro sauce. I ordered these things through his personal pasta delivery service. If I can handle it, I'll show you exactly how to place an order, his website, his Instagram. I'll insert that here. I'm showing you how to get there through his personal Instagram. This is his business page, and here's the menu. You can take a look at some of the other things he offers, testimonials. And if you want to place an order, you just have to DM him. And this is the lasagna that we're making today. I am going to have a genuine taste test of all of this stuff and making it from scratch. I will show you how easy it is, and then I'll taste the final product and let you know how delicious it is, because I can pretty much guarantee already that this is gonna be fantastic. He was kind enough to give me some homemade tortellini and homemade ravioli. Who am I? He was kind enough to give me some homemade tortellini and homemade ravioli as well. But we still have 2 full trays of enchiladas left over from a couple days ago, so I have to slow down a little bit. And it's just me and Derek this weekend, so my parents aren't here. My brother just stopped by to get some more enchiladas. I have to kind of relax with the cooking a little bit because I'm not trying to gain 100 pounds. First things first, we are going to taste some of this cheese. It is wrapped so cute. I'm speechless, honestly. The ingredients in this are almond water, coconut oil, tapioca flour, nutritional yeast, kappa carrageenan, I don't know how to say that. If that's wrong, don't come at me. Lactic acid and salt. I've been working on my own personal cheese recipes for the Vegan Italian Cookbook, and they've been coming out really good, but I've been having a hard time getting it to be shreddable. I actually asked Mario for his advice because I was using agar, I think that's how you say it. And it was more of a soft cheese and I wanted it to be shreddable, like I imagine this one being. And let me actually show you because it just came in from Amazon. This is what it looks like. Essentially, when you add that to the cheese, it solidifies it and makes it more of like a block of cheese that you can shred, you can slice. Mario seems to have mastered that. And I don't think I've had vegan cheese made from almonds. I smell everything. Right off the bat, let's taste a little piece. See, now that's epic. Let me do another slice action and zoom in a little bit. Look at how solid that is. Incredible. Let's taste it. It looks really good. The texture and consistency is beautiful. Very light, very delicate, tastes so good. I'm very impressed. Again, I haven't had this with almonds. Now let's see how this shreds. Okay, he passed. Let's get making some lasagna. So first things first, we have our lasagna sheets. Again, homemade. This is what they look like. They are made from semolina flour, unbleached all-purpose flour, vital wheat gluten. Interesting. Extra virgin olive oil, filtered water, ground turmeric for the color, and salt. They look like this. Now, in terms of the cooking instructions, I'm gonna do exactly what he says. This was in the refrigerator. It can store in the fridge for 2 to 3 days, freezer for 2 to 3 months. If it was in the fridge, then you're gonna add it to a pot of salted water that has come to a rolling boil, and you're gonna cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Homemade pasta cooks significantly faster than box pasta. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a pot of water on the stove, start to bring that to a boil, and we're gonna cook this baby up. There aren't necessarily lasagna instructions in terms of how to assemble, but I feel like that's kind of common sense. But I'll share with you my method for layering lasagna. I always put a little olive oil on the bottom of my pan because nobody wants their lasagna to just stick and like blow up. It's very depressing. I'm going to also preheat my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit just so that can be warming up while we're doing everything else. And then the next thing I do is I take my sauce.
And not using a ladle that's clearly too small, spread it across the bottom just to coat it above the olive oil.
This is a blessing, but also could be a problem because I could easily eat this entire tray if it's as good as I'm thinking it's gonna be. And lasagna is a comfort food for me. I don't know what it is for you, but this could be dangerous. I'm ready. I signed up for this. I signed up for this. We are at a boil, a rolling boil. I'm gonna give you a little tip, trick, thing that I use. Again, this is not written on the instructions, but since this is gonna be sitting for a little while and I don't want it to stick together, which just naturally can happen with pasta, I'm gonna drizzle a tiny bit of olive oil into the pot so the pasta doesn't like clump up. It's crazy hot. But we are going to assemble our lasagna. It's gonna be so hot. Probably could have used a bigger pan. We've got some curl-uppage on the sides, but that's okay. The integrity of these pasta sheets is excellent. They didn't fall apart or crack. I know sometimes when you boil lasagna, with homemade or store-bought, it can just get kind of weird and then you are putting back puzzle pieces in a sense. I really should have used a bigger pan. I'm putting gloves on because this is very hot. Never mind. I like my lasagna saucy. You know, I thought about adding my own twist to this. but I really wanted to make it 100% with his ingredients to genuinely try it the way that he delivers it slash shares it. Like, you would think that I just would wait until the pasta cools off, but I just don't have that patience right now. I have sauce all over my body. Now we're gonna pop this baby in the oven. I'm gonna let the cheese melt, let it do its thing, and then we're gonna taste it. This looks so good. I don't even want to wait. I'm gonna cut into it and try a piece right now. I know that I need to get a deeper and just better lasagna dish because I like when my lasagna is tall and this one is short. But oh my God, this gooey cheese. I'm gonna have myself a seat and taste this. There's not much to not like. It's honestly incredible that this is being made available for anybody who wants to make something like this, but maybe doesn't have the patience to make homemade pasta. I mean, this is 100% homemade. You know how much work that is? And the average person just isn't gonna do that casually. Maybe right now in quarantine, I'm seeing a lot of people making bread out there. Wow, the fact that this is accessible, I mean, that's really cool. And vegan. And again, I kept this very simple. I only used his ingredients, which was the pasta, the sauce, and the cheese. You can add whatever you want to this. You can doctor it up. You can add vegan meat, lentils, vegetables. You can layer some vegetables in with the pasta. Do you. You can add different cheeses, whatever you want. I just really didn't want anything to compete with his flavors because I wanted to have an authentic taste of it. I'm disappointed. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will link everything down below for this. If you're in New Jersey, New York area, you definitely have to check this out. And he also has pasta like tortellini, ravioli. There's a bunch of great stuff there. So definitely check it out. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Maybe comment below and let me know like what you like to put in your lasagna or what you would add to this dish. And thank you so much for watching.